Hi, Matt here from Crooks the Cabinet Makers. I'm really excited about my new project. Previously, I built the horizontal router table. That's got over 13,000 views on it to date. Thank you guys for your support. So what I'm going to do is build a new horizontal router table. As the video was so popular, I'd like to show how it actually went together. In my way of thinking, I'm always looking to improve. Let's go. So when I'm making other projects, I always get little bits left over. It's approximately half a sheet of 9mm birch face ply. So I've just come up with some sizes. The reason for these sizes is 600mm by 400 by 400 is the largest packaging size. Got the side pieces glued up. Now it's time to make some of the other components while they dry. I've got my rise and fall mechanism sorted. The sliding table was on an detachable bed. I just put one bolt in there on each side and a little locator screw. So I had a few problems with my original design. Initially these stainless steel bars are moving too much, so I drilled down and screwed straight to the top of there to press them down into the hole, and that means that squared everything up across here and across the base to the fence here. The other thing I didn't like was the steel bars running through here. Initially I thought that would be quicker, but it's not. So I've gone with my original design straight through the back here. I've got a nice little lockdown piece that I've made. The bolt comes up through underneath there. I've got a nice little packing piece on this one. Where I'm at right now is I'm really happy with the design. I've got a lead screw coming, which I'm going to use for the rise and fall. So my lead screw came in today, so this is off the CNC machines, and it's really great. I wanted to change to using a lead screw over using a threaded bar, because threaded bar wears out. The other thing I got from the CNC gear is these stainless steel guides and the bearings underneath, and that is so smooth. I'm so happy with that. Brilliant. So what's left now is to totally strip this down, give every component piece a sand up. So I put it all back together, tested it. The lead screw is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's so smooth. I'd say you've got about 50 mils worth of movement without adjusting the other side. Clamp I put in, I really like that as well. I've put the original design faceplate back on. That works a treat. The guide rails here, I love them. Beautiful. The tenon that comes out, I've checked it previously with the calipers, and it's absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I previously built one of these. I did expect to build something better, but I think I've built something that's better in some ways, but not entirely better than the other way. So still sort of a mystery. So thanks for watching. Stay safe in the workshop. Have a nice day. Catch you next time.